Welcome to day 43 of Strong and 75. If you have not watched days 1 through 42, please go back and watch them. We went over so much already. And if you have not gotten your 3-book bundle, please get it before they sell out. They sold out last time, and I'm always doing huge promotions, so definitely check. If you see it's like a special little color when you guys click it, no, it's probably some type of special promotion, so make sure you guys get it. I'll make sure I pin it down below. But today we're talking about the best day to actually pay your credit cards to see a great increase. I don't want y'all to overthink it. Let me take this as best, like as easy as possible if I was to go over today. So the best day to pay to maximize your credit score boost, okay? All you have to do is just make sure that you understand that yes, pay your bill by the due date. But if for some reason you get some extra money like 2 days or a day after your due date, don't think that it's too late to pay it, because they're going to report what your balance is on your statement day. So your statement closing date, that's going to be like usually like 3 days after your due date. So the best day is to pay it is, yes, pay about a due date. But if you get paid, say if your bill is due on a Thursday, but you don't get paid until Friday, and you just paid the minimum, and you're like, dang, that's it, I can't do nothing about it. You can technically, because they're not going to report your balance until 3 days after your due date. So that's what, usually that Thursday is when it was due. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. They're not going to close your statement out until Sunday. Now, I wouldn't say wait until Sunday to pay it, but you still, just think about, you probably still got like those two, we'll close about it. Probably you got about those 2 days, those 2 extra days to pay it. That's all that is. If you can pay more, pay more. That's all that is. Just pay more before the actual statement closing day. It was so many times where I'm like, maybe y'all hearing about it today and y'all like, dang, Keita, my bill was due yesterday. I wish I would have known to pay it. No. You got 2 to 3 more days to put more money on that account, okay, to pay down that balance even more. So that's all that is. Yes, you got your due date, but understand you got a date that they're going to actually report. And when it come down to the date they report, if you pay more on it, that extra amount that you pay is going to come off of that balance. That means your balance going to be even lower. And it's a catch-22 to it, so it's a flip to it also. If you all are using more money on your credit card, so y'all bill was due on a Thursday and you go and spend $400 on that Friday, or you think, oh, I paid my bill, you know, as long as I pay it, that's what they're gonna report. No. If that payment actually posts, that's gonna make your balance go up. I try not to use a credit card until after they actually report to the credit bureaus, because I don't play no games. Sometimes I think, oh, they got 2 days to report. And no, I mean, they got 2 days to actually post this balance. And then they end up posting it immediately. I'm like, what the heck going on around here? So I just wait until after they report. Once they report, I know I'm in a win to use it, okay? That's how I like to look at it. Don't forget, I talked to you guys about the round 2 disputes. Have you sent out your disputes yet? Let me know in the comments if you actually sent out your disputes, so I can really start talking about this, okay? Let me know if you actually sent out your disputes. If you sent out your disputes, congratulations. Make sure you sent it out to the actual company, and make sure you sent it out to the actual bureaus too. So you need to send it out to both. All right. And then let me know if you guys understand what your statement closing date is, what your statement balance is. Let me know if y'all already understand those things. If you got like special tricks and stuff that you use, let me know. If you have not sent out your round 2 disputes, you still have the option to do the 6 months of letters. Take advantage of that while I'm doing it. All right. Take advantage of that, and I'll see you all on the next day.